Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're gonna do a quick clean with me. Actually it took me over 3 hours, but I did it on time lapse. So the first thing I did is put everything on their place and dust off everything in my bedroom and in the living room, because you go from the cleanest to the dirtiest. When I was done with that, I was cleaning the bathroom. I cleaned everything from bottom to top, so even the walls I cleaned off, and then I went ahead and cleaned the floor. Then I'm going further with the kitchen. I clean off all of the countertops and the cupboards. I put everything on their place and just make sure that everything is pretty disinfected. And in the meantime, actually my battery died, so I had to put my phone on the charger. At the point you will notice that. And then I'm just going ahead with cleaning. Now that that's done, I'm going to clean the floor. My roommate was sleeping, so I did not vacuum. I do have a vacuum cleaner, but I just, mop the floor and clean it. And then that was pretty much it. 3 hours in actually 2 minutes, done. Wife me. I'm serious.